Hey everybody, nice to see you. We are going to do a rainbow craft today. And I'll show you my hands in a minute, but we're going to need a rainbow colored construction paper, compute colored paper. I'm using scraps today so I don't have to cut into new pieces. Scissors and glue. And I think that's it. So let's get to our craft. Three different ways today. So no matter what, we are going to cut strips of our rainbow colors. I have purple, orange, and yellow already. I had those scraps and strips. And so I'm just going to cut strips of blue, green, and red. So I'm going to line them all up so I can just make one cut. Here we go. So my pieces won't be exactly the same. That's all right. So take a second to cut those different strips. Yeah, these ones are shorter than my others. I can always shorten them if I wanted to. Okay. So I have my colored rainbow strips. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So now I'm going to use this white scrap of paper to cut a cloud shape. So I'm going to cut a little piece off of there. You can draw a cloud shape with pencil, but I'm just going to sort of freehand some puffs to make a cloud. Looking good. I'm going to thin out my purple strip too. So I'm going to show you this craft 3 ways. And I realize that I need a bigger cloud than that, so I'm going to cut a second cloud to overlap with it. Because I need my cloud to be wide enough to fit all my colored strips. So I'll cut a second cloud. Alright, and I'll glue those 2 clouds together. Have them overlap. Okay, so I'm going to glue my 2 clouds together to make them wider, like this. So, this is the first simple way to do the craft. I'm going to glue all of my colored strips onto the back. Like this. And I'll show you 2 other ways that we can change this craft or make it a little bit more in depth. Oops. I need green still. Okay, so here is just the simple version of the craft. The white cloud with our stripped rainbow colors, and now I'm realizing that I did them in order in the opposite direction. Well, that's all right. So, the second way to do this craft, we can leave it as is. That was pretty simple, and we could draw and decorate our cloud if we want. We can always glue cotton balls on here to make it textured. The next thing I'm going to try is giving some texture to my strips by rolling them around a pencil. Kind of giving them a little bit of an arch, like we would see in the sky. So I'm just taking a pencil, rolling the paper like this, and it's giving it that curve and that twist. Like this. So you can do this if you want to. And once we have these curves, I also have one more variation I'm going to show you. How's everybody's looking? Good. So I have this cool, cute little curved rainbow. You know, if you wanted the curves facing out, you could put more clouds over this. So the third variation is to make this a 3D arch. By attaching the ends to the second cloud. So what I would do for this is bend each of the end of the strips to make a little tab, like this. And then glue those tabs underneath this bigger cloud. It's not a real siren, and my video was zoomed in the whole time. Not a real siren, that was just our motion sensitive puzzle. In case anyone is wondering, and I'm sorry that my video was zoomed in. So by gluing these tabs and pushing it under this bigger cloud, it's creating this 3D arch here. There is our third variation. So we have this 3D rainbow. And like I said, you can add cotton balls on the clouds to make it more textured. Or you can do, I don't know, even like glitter or something. Might look pretty. Some white glitter as if the sun is reflecting through the clouds. So there's just a simple 3-option rainbow craft. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.